There were 16 tables in the room at first. 4 tables were then added into the room. Find the percentage increase. For some of y'all who do not know how to do percentage increase, and for parents, if y'all do not know how to do percentage increase, please allow me to teach you the formula. Percentage increase, the formula, okay, percentage increase or decrease, right? The formula is the same. It is difference over original multiplied by 100%. This is the formula. I'm going to use this formula and teach you how to do this. Now, I'm just going to put, what's the difference? Originally there was 16, then they added 4 to become 20, right? So isn't it 16 plus 4 to give us 20? So the difference is the difference between before and after and before. The difference is 4. So the difference, I'm going to put 4. What's the original? 16 or 20? 16 came first, right? Because originally at first there were 16 tables, right? So 16 came first. So 16 is the original. Okay? Using this figure, multiply by 100%. Sorry, this should be equals. Okay. Then it will be 4 over 16 will give us what? 1 over 4, right? Divide by 4, divided by 4 will be 1 over 4. Multiply by 100%. This will give us 25%. Just throw inside calculator. 1 over 4 multiplied by 100 will give you 25%. So this is done. So remember, for parents who are watching this, teach your child this formula. Percentage increase or decrease, the formula will be difference divided by original multiplied by 100%. Teach them how to find a difference. Use an equation to teach them. Something plus something equals something, or something minus something equals something. The number at the end will be the after, the number before will be the original. And this is the original, therefore you find the original over here, and the difference is a number in between. Okay, use this formula. Done.